want those with Papa?
Yeah. Wow. It was pretty.
Mm-hmm.
I can do it with paper. I can put this on the thing. What's in here?
I don't know.
Nice camera.
Thank you.
Where you bought it?
Okay.
Who bought it? Look at this. What is it?
It's a hat.
Wow! Hey, I never see that hat. You want to see I put on?
it makes the, feel the back of your head. Feel the back of your head. Here, no, keep it on. Here, let me show you. Okay, put your hand up. Feel. Don't hold it. Just feel right there.
Go. Hey.
It makes the tail wag. You gotta push the pink part. Feel it moving?
Yeah. I can't take it off, so I can see it move. Why, where does it move? Where's move? Why, where's moving?
See it? See the tail? What's next?
Wow!
Ooh, let's see.
I got a necklace.
Ooh, yeah, so Sophia the first. Fun.
Yeah.
Open
it's a
that.
necklace.
Open that later.
Wow.
It's a pretty doll, huh?
Yeah.
That's Sophia the first.
Yeah.
She's pretty.
Is that a doo-doo one?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I put this in the table. Hey.
Halloween decorations.
Where's for Halloween?
Maybe we'll put those up on Wednesday.
What? No way. Oh. I got.
Stickers?
Yeah. Stickers. I never see stickers. Look at this one.
Ooh, drawing paper. Yay.
Now I will get.
Those coloring books? New coloring books? You needed new coloring books.
Yeah, I got new coloring books. See, I got more. Look at this one.
Whoa. Who's on there?
I want to show to my daddy. Daddy. I show daddy.
You should show him your new doo-doo. Say hi.
Sophia doo-doo, Sophia doo-doo. Woo! Mine now. Look at this one.
Who's on there?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Okay, show Daddy. Daddy, I got more presents. Ta-da! Mickey Mouse papers. Lay down, Mackenzie. Lay down. Look at this one.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna show Daddy this one. Mackenzie. Dad, here's another one that Daddy showed me. I've never seen this one. I've never seen this one. I got this one.
What's on there?
Zebra.
Zebra.
Okay, show Daddy again. Hi, zebra. Daddy got another one again. See? It's a zebra.
Got Winnie the Pooh and a mermaid.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
Where's
ooh, a puzzle.
the puzzle?
It's a pirate puzzle.
Wow, I like this one.
Okay, it's all done.
No,
That's for Mary then. It's not for you.
what is it then?
It's got seeds in it.
Seeds? I can see in there.
No, it's all closed up for Mary Lynn. Can you tell Grandma and Papa thank you?
Thank you.
They love you.
Love you.
Can you blow them a kiss? High five?
I can see them.
They're not talking. I'm just recording for it. Okay, give me 5. Up high. Down low. Too slow, Joe.
Let's try again.
Okay,
Do it.
give me 5. Up high. Down low. Too slow, Joe.